Hello everyone, Storm 101 here. Today we're going to do my July 2020 forecast. We'll be going over the temperature, precipitation, and the overall forecast. And as a bonus, we'll be taking a look into the Climate Prediction Center's forecast. Let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and start off with my temperature forecast here. And you will notice already pretty much almost the entire United States is looking to be warmer than normal, at least for the most part. The only area I see that could be slightly below normal, that's across the northwestern United States, includes most of Washington State, northwestern Oregon, northern Idaho, and even to northern Montana. And where you don't see any colors or anything like that, that just means equal chances. That's what EC stands for. And really, all that means there will be times where you can see slightly above average temperatures or slightly below normal temperatures. Or you could just say average as well. That's what it also means as well. We also do have three areas at above normal temperatures. You got one area across the desert southwest and even to the Southern Rockies. You got another area across the Great Lakes, which includes Wisconsin, Michigan, and even far eastern and northeastern, I should say, Minnesota. Got one other area as well, which is across the far northeastern United States, which includes northern New York State, northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, and even most of Maine as well. And this yellow color here, really almost the entire United States, slightly above average temperatures, which includes really anywhere from central California, northeastern, all the way up into central Minnesota, and south from Minnesota, all the way down into the Mexican border in Texas, and even northeast, even across the Ohio Valley into the Mid Atlantic, and even this portions of the northeastern United States. And you got one area slightly above average temperatures across central and southern Florida. In the southeastern United States, again, equal chances or EC or average, wherever you want to say about that. And that's your temperatures. Let's move on to the precipitation forecast here. Really, almost the entire northern United States looking to be slightly above normal. Uh, with precipitation really includes anywhere from Washington State across northern Idaho, most of Montana, North Dakota, northern South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and upper Michigan and far western Michigan as well. Again, EC really means average or equal chances. We do have another ESI above average precipitation, which goes on across far southeastern Arkansas, northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, northern Georgia, northern South Carolina, southern Tennessee, and even far um, uh, southwestern North Carolina as well. If we kind of move on, really portions of the desert southwest looking to be below average, and really surrounding the desert southwest pretty much it's like below average, which it goes from South California through kind of Las Vegas area, northwestern Arizona, southern Utah to Colorado, even goes down into central Texas and eastern far west east into northern Missouri, central Illinois, and southern Iowa as well. Got another area of slightly below average precipitation, which includes northern New York State, most of Vermont and New Hampshire, and even Maine as well. So that's the precipitation forecast there. Let's move on to the overall forecast as well. We'll go from west to east. So this blue color up here um, is below normal temperatures. Cannot really think anything else really to put for the northwestern United States, so I really just put below normal temperatures. You will have a couple systems to roll by here and there up there as well. This white area here, basically your average summer, pretty self-explanatory. In this large pink area here, that is an area we can see some excessive heat. Excessive heat really just comes from high heat index values, which if you do not really know what heat index is, It's really a combination of temperature and dew points, and that's what your body feels basically. If you put those two together, that's where you get your heat index from. So it really includes the desert southwest into the southern plains, even for portions of the central plains as well, even into Arkansas, Louisiana, and even across southwestern Missouri. This dark purple area here, that is a area we can see very hot conditions. This is also an area really mainly central and east of this area, really Nebraska, South Dakota, and really just east of that. This is where we have the possibility for MCSs. If you do not know what an MCS is, it really just stands for Mesoscale Convective Systems, what they are. It's really a cluster of thunderstorms that could go on for a long time. They can move fast. They could create damage wind, some hail, very intense lightning, and a lot of rain. So MCS is this type of storm cluster, so you don't really want to mess around with. In this red area here, really across the northern plains into the upper Midwest, this is where we have the better chance of severe weather. And we've been seeing severe weather in some of these same areas over the past few weeks. And we can see that still continue across the northern plains, really mainly marginal slight risk days, maybe an enhanced risk or two for some of these regions in there as well. If we move on a little bit further east here, in the dark green area, which includes Michigan, even into the Ohio Valley, down into the Tennessee Valley, this is where we could see hot, humid, and stormy conditions, where you have some divergence going on here. And when you had divergence up in the atmosphere around 500 millibars, storms will be able to go up. If you do not have any divergence in the atmosphere, storms cannot go up. They can't blow up or go up in the atmosphere. So really typical summer weather, hot, humid, and it'll also be stormy. It's really going to be daily storm chances every day. It'll also be very hot and humid as well. Across the Northeast there, which includes Eastern New York, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. Those are areas we can see some hot and dry conditions. It's pretty self-explanatory. And really across the southeastern United States here, like southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, central southern Georgia, uh, the southern half of South Carolina, so far southern North Carolina, even across most of Florida, even southern Louisiana as well. This is where we can see some tropical systems, which we already have the tropical system currently ongoing there, Invest 98L. And it's currently in southern Georgia right now. So we already have a tropical system, and there could be more coming pretty soon as well for some of these areas here in July. So that's really your overall forecast there. Let's move on to the Climate Prediction Center's forecast here for July. Now keep in mind this has been updated all the way back into June 18th, so it's a little bit outdated. But here's their forecast here for, and this is precipitation. Looking what they're forecasting is what are the normal conditions across the southeast, which I do have some agree, which I do agree there. The southeast being wetter than normal. Again, EC means equal chances. And the only area below normal, which I disagree with, is across most of Wyoming and even into southern Montana, even far north, southwestern North Dakota, even very far eastern of Idaho as well, which that's the only area I really disagree with. I think that below normal precipitation should be moved further south. And again, no colors, EC means equal chances as well, which is basically a 50-50 shot of getting really anything. They go by percentages here, so yeah, like this green here, for example, that's a 60 to 70% chance in this below normal area, and that is a 60 to 70% chance of being below normal precipitation as well. Let's move on to their temperature forecast here, which we'll zoom in here. Really, they got pretty much the entire United States above average. Really, a 70 to 80% chance of being above average. Really, pretty much the entire southwestern United States, even expanding eastward into portions of the central and southern plains. You have another area really across most of the northeastern United States. You do also have a 60 to 70% chance area across the northwest to northern plains into the southern plains, even across portions of the mid-Atlantic regions, even the eastern portions of the Great Lakes. You have a 50 to 60% chance. Uh, actually, that is a no, that's a 55 to 60% chance of being above normal, really across the Midwest, the Tennessee Valley, pretty much almost the entire southeastern United States there. In these very light orange colors, that's a 50 to 55% chance. They do not have any areas below normal. They always go uh, a little bit warmer. They have a little bit of a warm bias to their forecast, so really have disagreements on both forecasts on their July 2020 forecast as well. And that's really it from this video. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did like this video, hit that like button. If you really do like my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, notifications so you never miss an upload. If you guys have questions about this, you can put in the comment section down below. I'll answer your guys' questions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.